boys and girls, today we are going to tell and write time to the hour and half hour. Okay, so right now you need to draw the hour hand in the correct position to show the time as 3 o'clock on the first clock. So on this first clock, what hand is the hour hand, the bigger or the little? What hand is the hour hand, the bigger or the little? Everyone? Little. Okay, so we need a little hand pointing to what? What time did I say again? 3. We need a little hand pointing to 3. So you put a line and then an arrow at the end of it. A line and then a little arrow. And it's a little line, not a big long line, a little line pointing to 3. Okay, everybody got that? A little line pointing to 3. Okay, so that's going to show 3 o'clock. Now, boys and girls, looking at this clock, they next want you to show 5:30 o'clock. If I go to 5 o'clock, okay, here I am at 5 o'clock. Okay, if I make this minute hand go halfway around the clock, where's it going to be pointing? Halfway. It's going to be pointing not up, but down. So halfway would make it go all the way down. Now look at where the hour hand is pointing. Is it right at the 5 anymore? No, it's in between the 5 and the 6, right? Okay, so it's not 6 o'clock yet, because it's only been halfway there. Okay, but you still have to put your hour hand the halfway between 5 and 6, or 5:30. Okay, so on this next one, we're going to make our little hour hand go in between 5 and 6. Pointing in between 5 and 6, because that's halfway. Halfway between 5 and 6. Alright? Half past means you need to put it halfway between 5 and 6. 5:30. Okay. Now, I want you to put it, where would it be if, on this one, if we were at 11 o'clock? Where would the hour hand be pointing? At 11 o'clock. Finley?
At the 11.
Right at the 11. 11 o'clock will be pointing right at the 11. Your little hand points right at the 11. There's a circle in between there, boys and girls. You can make your line go all the way to that circle. Just don't go past the circle, because past the circle means you're going to do a long line.
Like 11.
Okay?
That's a big one.
Yes, the big one will go past the little circle in the middle. Okay, and now, the last one, I want us to go 8:30 o'clock. So if I'm at 8:30 o'clock, where am I going to put my pointer? Isaac? No, past 8. You don't want to go before 8. You want to go past 8. 8 is right here. If I'm going to go past it, I'm going to be between where? 8 and 9. So if it's 8:30, you're going to put it between 8 and 9. Okay? Right here. Halfway past 8 and 9. Okay, so when, boys and girls, when this hour hand, when this hour hand moves from the 6 to the 7, how much time has gone by? An hour, right, an hour has gone by. Okay, all right, go to the next page.
Oh, what?
Okay, so they talked to you about hours. Now they're going to talk to you about minutes. the minute hand to move from one big number to the other next big number on the clock. Yes, to go from the 12 right here to the 1, it's 5 minutes. Now let me show you. You can see the little dots. That little dot is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see right above, that's why it has a 5 right above the 1. That's why on my clock over here, I have 5 right above this 1. Okay? For the minutes. Help you with the minutes. Okay? So from 1 to 10 or 1 to 2, it's going to be another 5 minutes. But you don't count 5 and another 5. You actually add them together. 5 and 5 make 10. So going to 2, it's 10 minutes. So you can go 5, 10, 15,
20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55,
60 slash 0. Yes, 0. Okay. All right. So for the minute hand to move from one number to the next number, it's 5 minutes. The clock hands on these clocks show 4 o'clock and 4:30. So this is 4 o'clock right now on the green one. On the blue one, it's showing you 4:30. Okay? Because the minute hands on all the way down to the 6, which is 30. If you count by 5s. Okay? All right. So the 30 tells you that the time is 30 minutes after the hour. And you can see when it's on the 30, when the minute hand's on the 30, where's the hour hand? Halfway in between 4 and 5. Okay. So let's do share and show. It says, look at the clock hands. Write the time. Okay. Right now, I want you to just write 2 dots in the middle. 2 dots in the middle so that you know that you're going to put an hour and then minutes. Okay? Okay. No, you don't have to write any lines. It's fine. Just know that you're going to put numbers before and after. Just like money, boys and girls, just so you know. I mean, this is extra. Never mind. I'm not going to worry about it. I'll worry about that when we get to actually doing more minutes. Different kind of minutes. Okay. Where is the hour hand pointing on the number 1? Where is the hour hand? The hour hand is what?
Small.
The small hand. Where is the hour hand pointing on our clock on number 1? Renee? It's pointing right at the 1, right? Okay, so our hour is going to be 1. Our first number is going to be 1. The little hand is pointing to the 1. Where is the big hand pointing now, Grayson?
12.
The 12, which is 0, right? So you're making 2 zeros. 0, 0. 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. Okay. Now let's look at number 2. Where is the hour hand pointing on number 2? Landon? It's not right at the 8. It is in between the 8 and 9. But is it to the 9 yet? No. So it is what? What did you say again? 8. It's 8 as the hour. Right? 8 is the hour. It's the little hand. It's pointing to between the 8 and the 9. What's the big hand, which is the minute hand? What's the big hand pointing to? Okay, but instead of saying 6, we're counting by 5. So getting all the way down to the 6, what number, what minute would it be? 30. 8:30. Very good. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's do the next one. Number 3. What? Hour. It's not actually right on the hour, right? It's in between. But where is it pointing, Isaac? Between the 3 and the 4. So what is it though? What hour would it be? 3. Because it's not to the 4 yet. So the hour is 3, ... And what is the minutes again? Everyone?
30.
30. Okay. Next page. You guys are going to do on your own with a partner. And they're gonna do those with a partner too. I think you can do those with a partner. Okay, you're doing the little hands and the big hands. Okay. Let's go to the last page. Turn your page over. Okay, hot problem. Let's read it. Allie eats lunch when the hour hand points halfway between the 11 and the 12. And the minute hand points to the 6. When does Allie eat lunch? Show the time on both clocks. Okay, I'll ask the second question next. Let's start over. Or let's start with the first part. What do we need to do? Lena?
Point
the little hand, which is the
hour.
Okay, I really want you to say hour and minute hand, okay, instead of little and big. The hour hand needs to point to between
11 and 12.
Okay, the hour hand needs to point between the 11 and 12. Okay? And then what needs to happen? After the hour hand, it says the minute hand points to the 6. So what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Make the minute hand point to the 6.
Yes, make the big long minute hand point to the 6. This is help show you where you're at. Because it's better, it's easier to read if it's longer to what minute it needs to be. Okay? Alright. Now, what is, if you're writing it just as a time, what's the hour then? If it's between 11 and 12, what's the hour? Kason? 11, because it's not to the 12 yet, right? It's 11. And what's the minutes? Grayson? 30. Okay. Do you know how, or do you know what time to write in a digital clock? Oh, how do you know what time to write in a digital clock? Explain. Okay, so we know the hour is 11. Why?
Because it says, because we point it to the 11, so it says 11.
Well, we didn't point it to the 11, we pointed it to between, right? But we know it hasn't gotten to the 12 yet, right? So we know it's still 11, okay? And what about the minutes? How do we know that 30 was the minutes? How do we know when we got 30 as the minutes?
By counting by 5.
By counting by 5s. How many times?
6.
6 times. Because you're at the 6.
Oh, yeah.